In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in Miro. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized map of your ideas that's easy to read and simple to expand as your project grows. Start by opening your Miro dashboard and clicking the board where you want to build your mind map. Give yourself a little breathing room on the canvas by zooming to a comfortable level so it's easy to see the big picture while you work. Next, add your central idea. Click the sticky note icon on the left toolbar or press N on your keyboard and place a sticky note in the center of your canvas. Type your main topic using a short, clear phrase. You can resize the note and change its color to make it stand out. Centering and emphasizing this note helps anchor everything that will connect to it. Now, create your first branches. Click the sticky note icon again and add notes around the central idea for your key categories or themes. Keep them evenly spaced to leave room for details later. Connect each branch back to the center using lines or arrows from the left toolbar. Arrows can suggest direction or flow. Simple lines work well for neutral connections. Aim for clean, minimal crossings to keep the map readable. Build out subtopics for each branch by adding more sticky notes. Place these near their parent branch and keep your labels concise. One idea per note is a great rule of thumb. Continue connecting subtopics with lines so relationships are clear. If you find yourself running out of space, zoom out slightly and nudge groups apart to maintain clarity. With your content in place, organize and customize for clarity. Use shapes or frames to group related ideas into sections. Frames are especially useful for visually containing a branch and for moving an entire section at once. Adjust colors to create a consistent legend, one color for each branch, for example, and use larger sizes for higher level topics and smaller sizes for details. Consistent formatting makes the structure obvious at a glance. Finally, adjust and align, select and drag items to tidy the spacing. Use Miro's smart guides to line things up and distribute items so the gaps feel even, straighten lines, or add gentle curves to prevent overlaps and reposition branches so connections don't crisscross. Zoom out to review the whole map, then zoom back in to fine-tune any crowded areas. When everything feels balanced and legible, you're done. That's your mind map in Miro, clear, structured, and ready to share or expand as your ideas evolve.